Welcome to our video on Omega watches, where timeless elegance meets cutting-edge innovation. For over 170 years, Omega has been synonymous with precision, craftsmanship, and iconic design. From the legendary Speedmaster, known as the Moonwatch, to the elegant Seamaster and the luxurious Constellation, each timepiece tells a story of excellence and heritage. Whether you're a watch enthusiast, a collector, or simply appreciate fine craftsmanship, join us as we explore the world of Omega, a brand that has shaped horological history and continues to set the standard for luxury watches. Let's dive in. Today, we'll explore 10 of Omega's most remarkable watches, each exemplifying the brand's dedication to excellence. Let's dive into the world of Omega. Number 5. Omega World Timer in Titanium. The Omega World Timer in Titanium is a masterpiece of modern horology, combining lightweight durability with sophisticated design. This 43 timepiece features a brushed and polished Grade 5 titanium case, offering a sleek, contemporary look while ensuring exceptional comfort. The blue dial showcases a stunning laser-ablated world map, surrounded by 24-hour and 24-city rings, allowing you to effortlessly track time across the globe. Powered by the Omega Coaxial Master Chronometer Caliber 8938, the watch delivers outstanding precision, a 60-hour power reserve, and resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. The blue rubber strap with a titanium buckle complements the watch's sporty yet elegant aesthetic, with its sapphire crystal case back revealing the intricate movement. Number 4. Omega Speedmaster CK 2998. The Omega Speedmaster CK 2998 is a modern reissue of a classic, blending vintage charm with contemporary performance. This 39.7 stainless steel timepiece pays homage to the original 1959 model, featuring a sleek Pangda dial with contrasting black subdials and a pulsometer scale. The blue ceramic bezel with a tachymeter scale adds a bold, sporty touch, while the polished hands and indexes filled with Super Luminova ensure excellent readability. Powered by the Omega Coaxial Caliber 1861, the watch offers precise timekeeping and a 48-hour power reserve. The blue leather strap with white stitching enhances its retro-modern appeal, making it versatile for both casual and formal occasion. Number 3. Omega Speedmaster 57. The Omega Speedmaster 57 is a timeless tribute to the iconic 1957 original, blending vintage design with modern innovation. This 40.5 stainless steel timepiece features a sleek, symmetrical dial with broad arrow hands and a retro-inspired dot over 90 bezel, capturing the essence of mid-century style. The black dial, with its contrasting subdials and polished indexes, offers a clean, sophisticated look, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and clarity. Powered by the Omega Coaxial Master Chronometer Caliber 9906, the watch delivers exceptional precision, a 60-hour power reserve, and resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. The bracelet or leather strap options provide versatility, making it suitable for any occasion. With its timeless design and cutting-edge technology. Number 2. Omega Speedmaster Caliber 321 in 18K Canopus Gold. The Omega Speedmaster Caliber 321 in 18K Canopus Gold is a pinnacle of luxury and precision, crafted for the most discerning watch enthusiasts. This 39.7 timepiece features a case made from Omega's exclusive 18K Canopus Gold, a brilliant white gold alloy known for its exceptional luster and durability. The black onyx dial, adorned with diamond markers and gold hands, exudes unparalleled elegance. At its heart lies the legendary Caliber 321, a manually wound movement renowned for its role in the moon landing, meticulously recreated by Omega's master watchmakers. The sapphire crystal case back offers a mesmerizing view of this iconic movement. Paired with a black leather strap or a matching Canopus gold bracelet, this Speedmaster is a true masterpiece. Number 1. Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean 600M Master Chronometer. The Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean 600M Master Chronometer is a robust and sophisticated dive watch designed for underwater adventurers and watch enthusiasts alike. This 43.5M timepiece features a stainless steel case with a ceramic bezel, available in striking colors like blue, black, or orange, adding a sporty yet elegant touch. The dial, with its luminescent hands and indexes, ensures exceptional readability in any environment. Powered by the Omega Master Chronometer Caliber 8900, the watch delivers outstanding precision, a 60-hour power reserve, and resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. With a water resistance of 600 meters, it's built to withstand extreme underwater conditions. The bracelet or rubber strap options provide comfort and versatility. Combining Omega's cutting-edge technology,